Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 14FS, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. And as that is already open and visible on my device. So once the content that you wish to capture is visible, simply press power button and volume down at the same time. And after holding it for a couple of seconds, or about a second or so, it captures the screenshot. First time around, you will get this pop-up right here letting you know that you can also capture a couple different versions of screenshots with 3-finger gestures. Now these alter between hold, swipes down, but primarily all of them are just 3-finger swipe down with some alterations depending on, like, as you can see, which one you want to capture. I'm gonna select Got It right here. And I'm going to capture one more screenshot just so you can see that pop up. There we go. And you can see once you capture it, it gives you a scroll and share options. And the same thing will show up if you do it this way. Now, once your screenshots are captured, you can find them by going into your Photos application and not the video. Let me go back. Oh, there we go. You can see under Today we have all 3 screenshots that I have captured just a moment ago, and we can also navigate to Albums and Screenshots, and here you'll find all screenshots along with also screen recording. The last one was a screen recording. So here are the 3 screenshots that I captured, and also, like I mentioned, the screen recording. So anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.